Okay, today I'm going to show you how to mount some shelves the easy way. I just started trying to put up this shelf set, and as you can see, if you use the template, it will come off crooked. The reason for this is that they don't have the little holders that the screws go into that attach it to the wall are actually not even straight on the board. As you can see, that one's quite crooked there. Even the screws are pointed crazy angles. So I did this one by eye, and as you can see, it came out pretty good. And then this one was done by template. The laser level, the screws that it's in are dead straight. And as you can see, not even close. So I'm gonna show you how to do it by eye and how to make them fit. And, we're still gonna use a level, but we're not gonna use these templates at all because they are garbage. If you notice here on the bottom, the spot where the screw goes in is only a 1/4 inch above the bottom of the shelf. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the shelf, we're going to hold it on the wall nice and level. We're going to mark our spot for our 2 screws and make sure and take into consideration the whole thing's going to sit about 1 inch lower when it's actually down on the in the holder in the proper spot in the mount. So what we'll do is we'll just make our dots a 1/2 inch higher and then use the bottom of the shelf to make sure that it's actually going to sit level when we mount it. We'll take this one first, take the little level it came with, and drop it on there. See, even though it says that is level, make sure and get back and check and make sure it actually looks level, because that's what really matters. Once you have it leveled out like that, make your 2 marks. One right here and one right there. Get it good and level. Mark your other one. Make sure to go just a pinch down, obviously. You want the top of the screw head to be right there. Like I said, make sure and check all the mounts on the shelves, because this one here is not only crooked, but as you can see, it's got a little piece of wood in there right there that wouldn't even let the screw slide all the way in if you tried to do it without first cleaning up that hole a little bit. So make sure you clean up the mounts before you try to put it on the wall. And there you have it. Nice, perfectly level shelf. Perfectly mounted, perfectly level. Now we just have to fix that one. Just take it like that. Find where it goes, where the mount is right there, and make you a little mark right on the bottom. Small, just make it with the screw. Set your level up here. Make sure and get it good and level. Up just a hair more. There we go. Get it good and level. And then you want to make sure and mark it. I disregarded my own advice. Just look at that impressive quality. Look how nice and even those shelves are. Before anybody says anything, no, my wall is not crooked. Just look at that quality craftsmanship right there. Look at that quality craftsmanship. Yeah. So, needless to say, make sure and check those before you mount them. Little quick modification, and it's good to go. You just have to make sure and modify those mounts to make it to where it actually can sit level. What a lie that is. Steer clear. These shelves off Amazon was the cheapest 4-piece set that they had. All of them are mounted good and level. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Not on the arrangement though, that wasn't my idea. And there we go, good and level on that one as well. That's what it came out like. Looks pretty good. Just gotta patch my other two little incident there. But other than that, looks pretty good. That's how to mount a shelf set. Even a cheap, shitty one from Amazon.